Hi, I can't say good morning, but I say good evening, everyone. This is Jeff Arcos. Welcome again to the daily webinar. Today we are Wednesday, 24th of July, 2019. Remind you, this webinar is not meant to be a financial advice. This is only an education presentation. Please consider term and condition before you continue, saying when you're receiving this recording. So we'll thank God for another day into my life and I pray His blessings in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, so let's do quickly this, and we got the 24. The moment where is there? It is 6 p.m. So the euro did have some flash new with the Germans in the French, and the euro is weak, so it's continuing the way down. Um, After midnight, nothing apart from crude oil inventories, which we will see what happened. All right, so let's open our dollar. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now we got a weekly trend line, daily breakout, index meter, and there it is. Now the data. Look, Richard, if you notice that this month was actually, we didn't have a nice monthly or weekly there, but this is what I mean. One monthly down, 1 week up, and that's the day. So don't know what it is at the moment, but yeah, just so perfectly, isn't it? All right, so pound New Zealand, we got an way up, sort of going down, then break even, and then got stop out with the break even, which is okay. And we have now a buy scenario today. So that's the pound in New Zealand. So I'm just gonna maybe bring this, see, because now that was in the morning. So at the moment it has been triggered over there. So previous fractal, and that's it. So that will be the case for that one. Mondays continue going down. Tuesday come back. Wednesday today we have a setup, so that's looking for a nice kind of support. Over there we got all the what we wanting over here, and this is the Euro New Zealand, which is the and nothing has happened yet. We got the break, I think, yeah, the Donchen. So nothing has happened. Number 10 there, and so it's all quiet. So we'll see what happens later. Um, we got New Zealand, US going nowhere. Come back there, and now is completely going down today. So with the Euro, New Zealand, US. So completely against it. And that could be an opportunity as well. I can see over there that if the market pulls, there we go. New Zealand yen, we're looking, we got 12 pips. Then we got again another 12 pips, so 24 pips. But today we got a setup to go short as we got a weekly trend line, daily breakout, index meter, and everything is in place over there. In New Zealand yen, we did have somewhere over there. And what happened? Short, or maybe it's because it got number 10. No, no, number 5. Yeah, sometimes that happen when the Donchen continue not performing, the 5 pips or 2, 3 pips, 2, 3 pips. All right. It will get hit sometime. So, but that should be already a trade over there, isn't it? In his own, and I just yeah, when he's not closing 5 pips there, then it comes to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Maybe wait for two later today. That sometimes happen. But we're looking to go short over there. Then the pound Australia Monday, Tuesday nothing, Wednesday nothing. So we just leave it alone. Pound yen Monday, Tuesday we got a set up to go short, and the short got triggered and things hasn't going anywhere. so far until this morning. So let's look what happened until now. Pound yen. There it is. So still hanging there, that trade. So maybe we can minimize somewhere over there. Hopefully we'll react soon. Euro Australia Monday, Tuesday we got a sort of sell, and it holds the sell over there until this morning. So Euro Australia got over there and it got a stop out. So whatever the stops over there, so that's fine. Um, Pound Canadian Monday, we're looking to go short, and the short got triggered, but 30 pips weren't going. And then on Tuesday, we're looking to go long, and the long got triggered, and then it is. So Pound Canadian is playing up over there. And where are you, Pound Canadian? There you are. So the buy is still there. So yeah, so we'll see now it's getting stronger. So see what happened today with that one. Pound US, we're looking to go short. The market got triggered the short. The market stopped me out with 9 pips, unfortunately. And there it is, Euro Yen. Nothing Monday, Tuesday, nothing Wednesday. We have today a setup to go short as the market has break from this consolidation. So clear break. And this is the Euro Yen, and the Euro Yen is over there, and there it is. We got a break, nice clean break, stop loss over there, and that's it. So that's there. Euro Canadian, we're looking to go short. The market got and stopped me out, and then it got 30 pips out. Then we're looking to go long, and the market did not perform a trade from there. So today we're looking now to go short again as the market prepared us in the morning over there. So we got saved by that, and this is the Euro Canadian. Where are you? There's no here Euro Canadian. Oh, no, there you are. So got triggered. So there it is. Just gonna put a little bit there. So got triggered by the volatility of the news, I guess. So that's where my risk is at the moment. Euro US looking Monday to go short. Nothing happened Tuesday. Wednesday break and run. So we are on a break even. And yeah, that's quite interesting. A monthly up with a week down and tray. That's a nice combination, Richard. Look at that. So this is what's exactly the trend. So this one is up, monthly up, weekly downs, and it was no very nice weekly downs anyway. But the opportunities present over there, and there you are running. And as I said, if I wouldn't have put the Donchen, I would have missed the midpoint um, to wait for the comeback over there. So that's a healthy oh, Helen is there. So we say that everybody's sleeping, Helen. All right, so Australia, US. I tried last night based on the monthly, weekly strength combination and did very well. Wow, that's tell you that alone, Helen, that strategy in his own can take us everywhere that we want it. All right, that's what when I look the more and more, that cuts all noises, everything, that you could imagine, that all the headaches, all the analysis, and all the thing. But after this chat, I have something that I want to show you. Yeah, yeah, we can do that, but let's do that one tomorrow. But today I have something new that if I tell you, you're gonna be crazy today. Or we better wait for tomorrow. I think for tomorrow when more people are there. Can you wait one more night or no? So Australian US is there, and we got a short scenario over there as the market faced that previous low, beautiful setup over there in Tuesday and Wednesday did broke, come back now is on a very short scenario there. It's a beautiful entry. Then US Swiss, we're looking to go short last week and the short continue. But now today we're looking to go long as we got at this beautiful setup over there, beautiful bar, close about I don't know whether this is an ABC, two candles, but the opportunity is there, and here indicates everything plus the index mid over there. So let's see how the US Swiss has traveled until today, and it got at the trade, and that's it. So we'll see until tomorrow. So we don't worry anymore. We just get back there tomorrow. US yen, nothing Monday, nothing Tuesday, and today we got as well, same as, oh no, that's the US Swiss. Oh, look at that, I got US yen. So the other one maybe was the US yen. So that was, what I did, M23 US yen. All right, so what I did wrong here. Uh, Things happen, huh? All right. So US yen it was, isn't it? So US yen, this one over there, and US yen. So I forgot to change it that. So and according to what did we say? There's not really much. Um, yeah, possible we got it there, and that would be the setup for the US US yen, which it hasn't done nothing over there. So let me get that one in place so before I forgot, and then nothing happens. So US yen is over there. So still looking to go long anyway with that one. And so stop the webinars, Kid 2019 daily, and I have to look for the US yen. So this one there. Okay. So I might need to close this one to open again the US. Okay, so there's the US yen 2 and 3. So that's now looks better. The US Canadian, we got that one there. Then we're looking to go long with the US Canadian over there. And today got trigger. So US Canadian continue now in a small save, that one there. Australian yen, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing really that attract me. Canadian yen, so that's Monday. Tuesday got a stop out, another stops over here, and that's today, so I don't see nothing more. Swiss yen, we were looking to go long on that, and the market got triggered in Tuesday, and Wednesday it got a stop out with minus 12 pips, and that's it. Gold Monday, nothing happened. Tuesday is sort of kind looking for buying over there, but today it is actually presenting us a setup to go in short double top, sort of weekly trend line and daily breakout, and what we don't have index minute, but just that one there. U.S. oil, we were looking to go sell. The market got the sell, but then this morning just went up, and is take the loss. And maybe today I will be looking to go along with that as oil is there. And yeah, so that would be somewhat over here. And I like what now the reason I like that because if I go there, some kind of it's definitely there. So if I look even that point, market has come. Let's take this one off. So so there we are. So it's a nice opportunity. It already has come from here as well, and it's a double sort of support level. Beautiful bar place over there. So definitely stop loss would be below to the line over here. Okay, pasting, and that it is. So that will be the risk for down. Just gonna set up that one for tomorrow. Okay, so back again over there, and that's what we got. S&P 500, we look for a sell and very aggressive. The market stop us out there with the break even. And today we got a weekly trend line, daily breakout. Everything looks quite bullish, and that it is Australian 200. We did have a weekly trend line, daily breakout. The color of the three indicators over here were in place, and that's it. Tuesday and Wednesday at the moment is running up. So I don't know now what is happening with the Australian 200. Yeah, let's continue going in his direction up. Just save the entry, and that's it. This one hasn't really worked. It seems like once everything is going up, so here definitely need to wait for the pullback. I will not venture into that. I guess same with the UK 100, got to stop out Tuesday, so now it's look like it wants to break. It's a matter of waiting. Same with this one, Tuesday and Wednesday, and there's a break today. So somewhere over here, maybe this one, this one could be right now. Yeah, so I like now over there. Previous fractal. Always look for the previous fractal over there. And that's it. Yeah. So perfect scenario, weekly trend line, good size there. And daily breakout. And everything indicators right good over there. and that was 225. That was there. Hmm. Okay, Bitcoin is just into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Nothing has happened. Uh, Ethereum Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now I'm setting up, following the fractals for a buy. I like this, so that's what I'm just putting my efforts into this because this, if the market breaks from here, the market will, we do the Fibonacci things, it will run from there. So get ready from that. Litecoin the same. So all of this crypto, this is what I was always mentioned, waiting for the month to come down. So that's, I believe, and today nothing has happened, but could be one of these days very easily. Um, but the pullback is monthly. Yeah, the pullback is monthly. So here we got the weekly. So remember the monthly down, the weekly up, and this is what I am waiting over there. So already into that trade. So previous high, previous low, and that's it. So this is what the greatest opportunities is happening over here in these levels over there. All right. So yeah, plus we got that beautiful weekly on sort of golden touch, and that it is that's where we are. Okay, who wants to learn something new today? I think last week we were mentioning about something, but this might be freak you out. All right, so everybody ready? Now I have two platforms. One with I call the weekly strength trading platform, and the other called the daily strength trading platform. And these ones, what I only looking is the color of the color trend. I'm looking the I'm looking as well the candle has to be above below the midpoint of the channel, and yeah, coming soon. And as well, I want to be looking the Donchen scenario there. All right, and the weekly index meter. So this is I'm gonna show you first the weekly index strength trading platform, and then I will show you the daily strength trading platform. But both are very good. So in the weekly, what I'm using over here is the 4 hours time frame, H4. So as you can see over there, and in here I'm looking just the common sense to trade there. Now the thing is very easily to look in this one. So it's tomorrow I'm gonna repeat that because we don't have everyone over here. So what I'm looking is that, for example, from this week to this week, the color has shifting from there. So I'm looking to trade right over there. Nothing happened that bad. So from this strength to this strength over here, maybe Monday or Tuesday the market is down. So once I see the price below to that midline, which is that one over there, I'm setting up for this one to trade short. All right, so here would be one loss. That's fine. And here it was. So this one last week I started already trailing this one. So I decided, okay, the color has changed from positive to negative, is below to the midline, and therefore I'm setting up to trade and short over there. And I took two targets, and the two targets got hit by the precision. So this new month over there. So plus, this is the previous week, so we don't have this week. Now we have the index meter with us. The market breaks from there, and there it is. All right. So I was planning to show you this on Monday, but I wanted just to see this. So on Monday I will have actually the pip runs for this one over there. So this is now Tuesday with the same. So go to stop out. That's fine. And this is Euro New Zealand. Now I haven't done the number 3, so I only have Monday and Tuesday. So I have to do Wednesday over there. So that was another one over here. So at the beginning of the week, everything is red. So I decided, because the pullback was quite good, so I decided, I've been taking trades from this all the way down. So I've been a few weeks now confident with this trade. And some occasion I put it both. When I see the retracement, the fractal, I can put it both, and then takes the profits. It's been quite very good. So there it is. The market comes, and that's Monday and Tuesday. There we are. So market is continue in his run. New Zealand, US, the same. So once I see that the change. Now, one thing as well that I'm trailing with the 4 hours time frame is this. All right, so this is the beginning of the week. So changing from positive to negative, go short, got to stop out over there. But what happened maybe Wednesday, Thursday? What is happened over there? The price has come from below the level to above the level. All right, and so therefore now I'm trading. You see here in this one, I decide, because in this one I'm trading against that the strength. So it's a turning point. Is happened because of this. So through the week, things has changed, and so therefore I got it into that trade over here. So this is in the 4 hours time frame. So what I only read is the color trend. I'm reading the weekly index meter, and I'm reading over there. So that's, I have to do Wednesday yet, and then it got to stop out in Tuesday, the two trades. So I have a fixed target, 30% off, and then the rest, whatever I'm looking at daily. New Zealand yen. So this one I start on a daily basis, and but anyway, so around here it was that the decision trading, and this one is running quite okay. New Zealand yen until today is still yesterday still over there. I think today it came down. So pound Australia, 4 hours time frame, got over there. Tuesday, I don't know when Wednesday what happened. Pound yen, Monday, Tuesday is there. Pound Canadian. Now this is when the pound Canadian comes over there, and we'll see that this is that trend line breakout. The market comes over there. We're changing now from, you see pound Canadian here. This week is telling me to go short, but here I have a change, so I'm related in that change. All right, I'm relating the change in this case because the market is coming back. I decide to put it a buy into that, and take the trade from there. So I still need to do this one over there, and that it is pound Canadian on Tuesday. Pound Canadian. I don't know Wednesday where we are with the pound Canadian. Still somewhere over there, so it hasn't gone nowhere over there. Here, pound US, I was looking to go short. So from there, so it's been carrying that short for quite few weeks, going up and down. And now it's running until yesterday over there. Euro Australia, as soon the market changed the color from there, put the trade, and then dragging this trade down. So Euro Australia is continuing now in his run over there. Euro Yen, looking to go short Tuesday. I think today it has breakout that one there. If I'm sure about that, the Euro Yen. Yeah, okay. So the trade was already originated in this date over here. So if I look over there, so this is when I make the decision. So when I come in on Monday, one thing I want to be looking on the previous week, where it is open and where it closed. And this is the midline. So we changing the color, we changing everything. So therefore, just put it below to the level, the market breaks, and there we go from those levels over there. Okay, so that's the Euro Yen, Euro Canadian. I'm looking to go short. Um, Nothing has happened until now. The market is breaking up, is making support level over there. So I'm looking the Euro Canadian. I got a buy and I got a stop out over there. So now is changing completely his strength. Again, maybe tomorrow to start looking to go short. The beginning from here, this has been Euro US, got trade over there, and today the Euro US is in the run over there. So looking at the changing from about to below through the 4 hours time frame weekly. So I decided to, yeah, that's a nice trade to the pullback. The market goes and now it's running from that level over there. Australian US the same. As soon the color change in the 4 hours, decides to trade from there. Yeah, I got the trade, and I think today we got to stop out with Australian US. US Swiss, there's the change in the previous week from about to below, so I'm looking to trade both, and got triggered over there, and then I think it now is changing the strength as today, but already in a break-even situation with that. US yen, same. So the about to below uh, color change, don't change. So put a both in this case with this one, and the market now is in a break even with that, and I'm waiting for the opportunity over there. This is the US yen, so I got to stop out now over there. So looking possible to go long with this one over there. US Canadian got a sell, got to stop out with a sell, but now the market changed the color completely. So before that break has happened, I'm looking through that, and I decide to that's a nice opportunity to trade, and that's what it is now. So I can now shifting my stop loss and continue looking for that. Australian yen looking to go long and the beginning of the week as the market is present me over there. Got triggered Tuesday. I don't know where we are today. Canadian yen is definitely the beginning of the week. From this week over there, the market changed color, everything is there. So came to the midpoint, touch it, and now Canadian yen I think is going in the direction of the trade. So already got in a break even, and that's it. Swiss yen, it changed the color at the beginning of the week, as you see. Swiss yen got at in this case we got a bullish sign, so everything there, support over there. So that's a Monday, Tuesday breaks, and I think today is continue the Swiss yen. No, you stop me out, and I got a second buy because I got it both in this case from here. So yeah, so got to stop out with that one there. All right, so that's the weekly. Now with the weekly, it's a bit sort of kind of you're looking in a very so different way that you're looking on the daily. And but I like to continue testing this one because this was always looking for the weekly, and when the market changed the strength, looking to the daily. Now, the one that is exciting is the weekly strength, the daily strength, and this is why. So that's Monday. I have per day. So what I'm looking over there is just every single day on Monday, and I looking right in the changing of the color. All right. So now, unfortunately, I go from one day to another the setup. So I will go. We will see all the currencies, all the trades as the market displayed over there. So that's my setup for Monday. Then I got the US Swiss over there, it's number two. So this one is already into trade. So this one is in the daily. So when I come to the date, I see that the market changed the color is below to the midline, the dungeon over there. And on the 18th of July, the US it was weak against the Swiss. So in this case, I was waiting only for the pullback. The pullback came over there, and now this one's on a break even. So we'll see in the next following day how that happened. Euro US, so that was on Monday. Looking over here, the color has changed below to the midpoint. I didn't dungeon there, and that's the trade over here. Euro Canadian, the same. So waiting for so the only thing I look at over here is, you know, you can decide maybe only the 10 top currencies because that's where the big numbers it will display. The other ones will be have lower number at the end of the day. But what I'm looking over there, so sometime I'm testing whether I would trade both or would I trade only the break. I like the one that I have. This one is only the 20 over there, so I like the other one. Prefer to have only the 10 for my entries, and that's it. So I will fix this one to the one that we do every day, because I believe this one could give us more reluctant. So Euro New Zealand is continuing his run for that, so nothing new. Euro Yen, I'm looking to go short. So over there, and the market just went up. Here, Euro Australian looking to go short. Australian US, this was when it was looking to go short on Monday because of that, because the color changed, because the changing of that midpoint, and the don't change color change over there, plus the index meter. So what I do is 4 ticks. So the color, the midpoint, the don't change, and the index meter, and that's it. And we trade from that. On this one is the US yen, which is this one. We're looking to go long as the market change the color, do all the that we're looking, and there we are. So this is the pound US. We're looking to go short over here. So normally with the pound US, retracements are very good. So in this case, decides to touch the midpoint of the retracement, and that it is. Here I'm looking save my buy, but as well entry the short as the market is indicating me. New Zealand US, I forgot to put it that there, and we'll see in the following days. US Canadian looking to go long as the market indicate me over there. Australian yen looking to go long, so this is a buy. No, this is a sell. Oh, sorry, here is the end of the day. So I'm guiding by the end of the day. I'm guiding by the index meter. Don't change color. Blue time in the market retrace, went up, came back, and got that short with the Australian yen over there. This is pound Australia. So from here, the market changed the color in this day. The market came over there, got the trade, and then once a day. So once a day, it's the only way to survive in the market when you do once a day, and that it is there. Canadian yen. We're looking to go long in this case, as I say, it's a long trade over there, as the market present me the opportunity that I have. Everything is in place. The Donchen color change, the midpoint, the price is about the midpoint, the color trend changes, and everything is there. Here, this is New Zealand yen got triggered in that. Here I'm looking to go long as the market is says to me in the pound yen, which is what's over there. Remember, the lower you go, the lower probability over here. Then we got a pound Canadian. We're going that this is in a high. So in this case, I got it over there, and the market got triggered on a breakout over there with a 50 pips stop loss, and that it is. So this one is the pound New Zealand, and that we are. All right, so that's Monday. And then it will come to Tuesday. And now those trades are already running from there. So I continue looking to that, but if the trade is already happened, so that I don't do nothing, I just trailing my stop. So this is Tuesday now. So these things like here, I was looking to go buy, so the buy got triggered over there, and now it's trailing the stop loss over there. The next one is the Euro Canadian, which we got over here, and we'll see what happened with that the following day. That's mean today. Here we got the pound Canadian as well, looking to trade about that level over there. Canadian yen looking trading below to the level over here. Swiss yen, so we did trade somewhere over there, so got triggered over there, bring my stop loss to a level that I'm comfortable. Here, this one is continue the Swiss into that trade, so surviving. US yen, now I got at a trade to go long over there, so nothing has happened through there. And here I'm looking to buy there. Australian US got, remember we were saying here we were looking to go short with the Australian US. So the market did not trigger in the breaks, but instead of triggering in the pullback, and now is going down over there. The next one, the pound US, the same. We got triggered over here, and then on Tuesday it was continue running from there. On New Zealand US, we were looking to trade there. In this case, I think it because when I came here, the market already went up, so I decided to trade the breakout, and the breakout is happened on the following day. And that day, the Euro US got triggered on the midpoint. I was looking on Monday to trade over there, so the market comes over there and got triggered from there. Euro yen, we were looking to go long because that's what I think it no short. Sorry, that's a short direction because here it was the end of the day, so the market got triggered somewhere over there, and that short direction is over there. Euro Australia, we were looking to go short until this point, so the short got triggered somewhere over there, and the stop loss is in place from there. Euro New Zealand got stop out the buy, but then we got now a completely change of strength as the Euro New Zealand is in this position over here, and the market is running from there. Then we did have the New Zealand yen on a short position as the market did is changing the strength from positive to negative. Now and Tuesday against that that are actually the you see the numbers. This is the low of the numbers over there, so they are not great. I'm looking there. Pound New Zealand definitely looking so to in this case is changing now. Then we got at Australian yen still looking now for sell as the market changes the color over there in Australia of yen. When I decide to follow this, the color, the midpoint, and the downtrend is when I look at over here. I say, yeah, this is maybe the direction that it will go because here we don't have a security that says it's gonna go long in that one there. Pound yen, nothing has happened from there as again pound yen is in a very low number over there. And here we were looking the pound Australia for a buy of the previous day, so the buy got triggered over there as the market came down, went up again, and that it is. So that's Tuesday, and then we go to Wednesday, which is today, following exactly the same thing. And so this is the list, and again the presentment. So New Zealand, US. So we were looking to go short in that day. The market comes, breaks, and now is on a break even for sure, as the market is moving over there. Pound New Zealand the same. So we were looking to go long on that date. So the market got breaks, now is moving towards the target. New Zealand yen, the same. We were looking to go short over there, so the market did break over there, and plus the pullbacks that I was having from this one. So I add positions as the market continue running in the direction. So here I'm looking to go long as this is indicated. So in this case, the midpoint is in place with a 30 pips stop loss. Euro Canadian, beautiful breakout. The color changed from yesterday and today. So the market, so looking to go short with that. Beautiful pattern breakout right at the edge with everything indicated to me. And there we are. Canadian yen. So this date and on on Tuesday, we were looking to go short, so the market comes back to the midpoint, and it got the Canadian yen and breakout from there. Pound Canadian, I'm looking to go short in this one, so we'll see what happened through the night. US Canadian, now the US Canadian got triggered from there, so that's now 3 days running. So at the moment, is already into that. So whatever strength Canadian is gaining is too late. The market is already into our trade. Euro US. So look, now you will see that some trades go to stop out, some trades goes with a train and everything. And this is what is important to have the 1 to 3 win ratio reward and a proper money management, these systems can really, and here the only thing now, one of the things that in this one is no technical analysis. So in here you just come, open the there, and you look in this. Now, common sense will tell us, that's a double top in the market. The market has break from there, pull back, and now is running until now quite nicely. Strata US the same. The first day they changed, so we did that, and this is different than that normally we do here. So we just follow the strength of the color with the Monday indication that we did have. The market pulls over there, and now it's running into quite nice. US yen trading, and again, um, today, so possible we'll get a stop out from there. Um, Here, US Swiss, so the same. So we were looking to go long whenever the market breaks. Now it's running over there. Pound US, we were looking to go short on Monday over there. The color changed, and market got triggered, and you save your entry. Um, Euro yen. So we were looking to go short in this date with the indication of the index meter. The market comes to the midline, and now it's rally from that direction. Euro Australia, now it says to go short, but here we don't see short, so I got no trade. So I got it sort of contradicting. Maybe tomorrow we will see that. Now, one of the benefits to look in this, all right, is a very simple way that you see it. Um, that day they changed everything. I believe this is the real key day to trade. All right. Um, so if we see the rules in these trades, we I apply 4 single rules. Now, sometimes we will not have all the 4 in place, all right, which is that's okay. But at least if I have 3 out of 4, for me, I would be happy. So when I come, the first one is the index meter that it comes over there. This is where I coming, and then I'm looking over here as we see over there. Number 2, I want to see the trend color, match the index meter. In this case, we don't see that, so that's for is actually not trade for me that because it could be. I believe tomorrow is gonna be quite good. Then number 3, I want to see the midline below to the price, or the price below to the midline. In this case there. And number 4 is the Donchen color change that we have. In this case, we didn't. So that's mean we got that, we got that, we got that, but maybe not this one over there. So 3 out of 4, why not to trade anyway? So for example, if I come this date over here, I could say that. Now, sometime, if we decide to trade just that one there, I believe sometimes we could get, quite safe to not to trade over there. Now, in those trades, I trade in between 15 to 30 pips stop loss. So 30 pips in the high volatile currency and 15 in the low volatility currencies. Because, I believe the system is quite good, quite simple. So I prefer to be a stop out twice before the market runs if the volatility don't is not in place over there. All right, and so yes, it's a quite it's like a it's like a we follow that in the simple way. So this one, for example, it was the pound Australia. When we were looking somewhere over there to go long, the market comes over there, dips over here, got a stop out and buy again over there in the second try, which I normally have over there. So in this case now it's running quite good. If it's not in the following date, it would be here as well, that I'm trading from that. Okay. Australian yen that day. So as you see, as we looking at, and that was on Tuesday, I think we were looking over there, and here is when you make the decision. Now, I like I said, I can't see if I risk it, for example, in Australian yen, which is 15 pips stop loss. I can trade both because I know that either way, if I get a stop out and the breakout, the market come back to midpoint, pull me back again, and that is the running from until today in this morning. Pound yen, everything here indicators that market is going long. Today it says pound yen is long, but look where they are. So I'm not taking care much of the color strength over there, but I'm taking color, over here. So I got to stop out once because of that bar over there. So the second is over here, and now the market is running over there. Now, Swiss yen, as we see over here, I got both, as you see right over there, two tries. Now, Swiss yen is a low volatile currency, so I got only 5 pips breakout. And in this case, it did not touch the midline, so I missed the midline, but this is where it's important to take the breakout as well over there. So we did this yesterday, and this one over here, and I only, like I said, 15, 20 pips, 30 pips, depending on the currency. I don't think so more than 30 pips you can be risking in this one over there. Having two tries, so you double your stop loss and getting over there. Now the benefits of this is the earliest that how enter the market into this trace, you know that just depending on the color change. So once the color has changed over here, that's all you need to know from there. If you get a stop out over there, with this would be 30 pips. You got the second entry, and then you run, and then here once a day, once a day, once a day, once a day, and then you out of those trades over there, or you target over here. But as you see, this is quite scary the way that it looks. So this is yeah, working directly with whatever it is giving us to us. As well, we can put a lot of sort of time, who am I gonna be looking for long, so we can see support over there as well. um Trades like this one, why are going to be looking over there? If I draw a line over here, well, support has become resistant. That is why. So look for the trade, and that's what is running again. So we can still using a common sense. So here the same. So why am I going to be looking to go short in that day that it changed? All right. So now, one of the good news is that GMT is actually looking to automate this. Remember, we were talking about that. So the programmers actually are looking. I need to have this week all these results, because then I can pass to the programmers. And what the programmers are looking is, how can we automate this this wonderful thing that we can just set up the you know the trace, and then let it. Now, of course, I think here we would have the trailing stop if we automate these things, or we can put like a 50 pips target, 100 pips target, if we are happy with that. It's going to be a lot of work to do that, but this is, like I say, semi-auto. As you see, you come once a day, put the trade, and let us run from there. So now, if we have problems to see the color, now between the winners and the losses, as we see over here, you look at you look in the point of view that whatever could happen over there with proper money management, these things can really run. So we get in right at the beginning of the run, which is important. Get it right at the beginning of the run, at the beginning of the run, at the beginning of the run, at the beginning of the run. And we can sculpt the market on a daily basis using the daily index meter. Set the trace over there, so it will take you only maybe 5 seconds. Once the index meter is there, look that one there and set the trace up. So we're looking the color change from here to there, and the beauty is the index meter point us to this trace. The highest that the top 10 is always going to be the better, because the numbers are with it. And that's what I notice now, that everything that is below here, sometimes I go to stop out, but sometimes they work. So if the index meter on Monday told me over there, then I can come in here. Oh no, look, that's a double top in the market. Beautiful setup. and that's it. If I here I'm looking myself and I'm looking at my technical analysis, I would say no, this can be only support level over there, and this is my resistance. I'm gonna be waiting when the market do something outside over there. Out here, I'm gonna be trading. So this is a nice level because of that. Now, would you prefer to trade there or here? Where would be the preferred line to you for you to trade? So this system does not look technical analysis whatsoever. Nothing to do with a multiple time frame that you want to see here and you want to see that. This is just to sculpt the market with a very, very easy way. Um, I guess if this ones will this week and the following week will get maybe this is the system we will be doing. The instead of the other ones, this will pointing us very much in there. And like I said, we're gonna get the winners with the losses, but when the market run, especially following the biggest the numbers that we have over there, I believe if you're just concentrating that and don't touch the rest, which is the whatever is there, the probabilities are quite there, are very, very scary. Thinking of that, you only see the color change, everything is in place, you're looking to go long, and after that, just put the E8. Put the E8, walk away, come back tomorrow, and yeah, with a proper money management, as I say to you, nothing can be more there. Simple like that. Just trade what you see, know what you believe, and that's it. Come in the morning, look over there, and even in London time you come and you can leave it over there. But this is the days that we need to be looking over here. Like I said, and this one, for the pound New Zealand, sometimes maybe 30 pips is maybe it's 50 with this one, but of course you're gonna get 300 very easily with those ones over there. All right, my friend, it's 1 hour. I haven't done 1 hour for a long, 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 long time, but that's there. Now, one thing that I wants to maybe in this one to do is to change to the number 10 for an entry and eliminate the midpoint. So, um, all right, thank you, uh, um, Richard, for that. But um, this is New Zealand US. So we're looking at New Zealand US over here. So what I want to be doing here is because of that. So if I'm looking there to go short, I want to be triggered in the break of the 10. Now, not to have a trailing stop until the market is running, so the trailing stop can run, and then I can change it, to the 20 or 25 or whatever, and then I can get, because it's quite nice, really, the way that can we do. So if here again, that's like I said, at the moment is just the last 2 weeks has been. So if here I'm looking to go short, look what would happen. Nothing. So the next day, oh, we're looking to go long. Here is the long. So that's all we're going to be doing with this one. Here we're looking to go short. That the Donchen time to trade off, and then we change it to the other color. And like I said, I prefer manual to there, and that it is. Here we got that one there, and look over there, 15 pips, 70 pips. You don't need more than that. When we go wrong, we go wrong. But that's we got days like this one, the color change, get it over there, and that's it. I look this a quite scary strategy, because if we say we want in we want in a black and white system, this is green and red system. If we have problems to look the colors, the midpoints, and everything else, this is quite good. I really love it. So I really like it this way, especially with the index meta, which it gave me the highest probabilities, trace. And but if you taken everything there, and like I said, proper money management in place, these things can really be completed there. So that was the surprise that tell you. Apart from the other one we did yesterday, Helen was saying that she did the don't you have the color EA, please? Don't you have the trend color, Helen? This one? It's not an EA, it's an indicator. So what do I say? That at the moment I'm looking for this. Um, I'm looking for this because the programmers of GNT that actually try to look this and automate. So that's mean that they will look, for example, the strength, and then the only problem, it doesn't look the index strength. It's only look the individual strength. So but I don't see any harms to comes once a day anyway. Who wants you know something to do like that, because it's gonna be nearly the same, the way we look. And anyway, so we still have 2 more days to discuss about this. I keep looking, like I said over there, taking the winners with the losses, and as you see, the losses will override this week, this system. The weekly as well is good. As we could look at over here, there is nothing wrong with that one either. But if you ask me which one is better, I love that the daily um the daily system, at the end of the day. So it's more active. The weekly is nice, but that's what, if I don't test it like that, I'm never gonna know the difference until this one is there. All right, my friend, it's 1 hour and 1 minute and 1 hour and 2 minutes. So we'll see you tomorrow morning, same time, same place. Hopefully everything is okay. And I'm sorry for this morning, yeah, but I got something to do urgently. So, but tomorrow we'll be there. But yeah, I didn't want to let this surprise to tell you today, but that's all good. Okay, take care of yourself. No, not yet. What you mean, Helen? I give you a call after finish. Okay. Thank you. All right. See you tomorrow. Cheers and bye.